PickaForm can enable some features on any form. To do this, you just have to click on the button, Edit Form Features. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the available features. For example, we will enable the possibility to attach files to the form. You simply have to click on the corresponding switch button, then finish and click on the Save and Exit button. The new feature now appears just under the default form section. In our example, it allows us to attach a file from the local hard drive. Compatible files can be directly previewed in your browser, in the right preview panel. You can even maximize the preview panel to use all the available space, and you can also close the preview when you don't need it anymore. We can of course enable multiple features on the same form. For example, we will add the possibility to leave comments in the document. As you can see, one click is enough. The new comments feature has appeared just under the section dedicated to attach files. People using this form can now leave comments very easily. Thank you for your attention.